Good morning, boys, girls and families, and welcome to our first day of online learning. Are you ready to learn? Have you washed your face? Have you brushed your teeth? Have you made your bed? Well then, yes, you are ready to learn. And I hope you're sitting comfortably to begin today's e-learning lessons. But before we get started, Miss Jamaica is going to give you and your parents a step-by-step guide in accessing your learning online through our newly developed school website. Remember, your teacher is online to help you throughout the day, and if you're experiencing any problems, then please call or email us at the school. Have a great day, and we look forward to checking in with you again tomorrow.
To access the Al Rayyan Charter School e-learning hub, click on the link that you received through School Voice. This will take you to the Aldar Academy sign-in page. From here, you'll be prompted to type in your student email address that you received in your message from your classroom teacher. Click Next. This page will redirect you to the Aldar Academy's organization sign-in page. From here, you'll be prompted to enter in your username, which is your email address, and your password. Click Log On. It's going to ask you if you would like to stay signed in. If you will continue to use the same device every day, click Yes. From here, you will be taken to the Charter School's e-learning hub. You'll scroll down until you get to Al Rayyan School. You see Al Rayyan, click the button. Once you're in the Al Rayyan Charter Schools page, you may select the grade that you are in. Once you selected your grade, you will be taken to a window where you will see each class broken down week by week. Click on week 1. And here you will see all of your documents. I click on Daily Plan. This will open up my weekly lesson plan. My lesson plan is labeled by day and revolves around my theme. I will also be able to see it broken down by subject: ELA, math, science, Arabic language, reading, moral education. Some days I might see PE or Islamic studies. Every day I will have a paper-based activity and an online platform. It will also contain a project that I can work on with my family at home. I go back to the e-learning page and I click back on week 1. This will take me to my next folder. Inclusion skills are for those that need a little bit of extra support. I return to week 1. Here I have my PE subject resources. These folder will contain videos of exercises that I can do at home with my family.
Here we have a form of crunchies. This is called T-E.
When I go back to my page and click back on week 1, my next folder will contain my paper-based activities. These activities are broken down by subject. When I click on an activity, here I will find my different worksheets along with instructions that I need to complete. So here are my weekly instructions. And here's an example of my weekly math activity. My next folder, when I click back on week 1, will be my tutorials. Again, my tutorials are broken down by subject. If I click on one, each tutorial will have a video recorded message that has been made by your child's classroom teacher.
Hi, Grandpa. I hope you guys are doing it.
I'm now back in my week, and this is all of the folders. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to us at Alriana Charter School, and we will do our best to support you as we all go along this e-learning journey.